Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I look forward to showing you around the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar D200 Dynamic SE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Varicine blue. Let's start our journey from the front of this magnificent vehicle, where we'll see the LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead with increased road presence. Cascading down the side, you'll see the black roof rails, black wing mirrors and your bronze and black bonnet louvers, which contrast perfectly against the paint colour as it sits proudly on a set of 20-inch 10-spoke satin dark grey alloys. Venturing to the rear, we will see the rear privacy glasses with rear LED tail lights. Opening the powered tailgate reveals a vast and versatile amount of boot space, perfect for whatever life throws at it. You'll be able to fit a canine companion, a set of golf clubs or even a week's worth of luggage. Looking to the rear, you'll see your raven blue ebony perforated grained leather seats, which will ensure comfort and quality on any length of journey. And glimpsing into the cockpit reveals your 14-way driver memory heated front seats, which will ensure every journey is as comfortable as the last. Other advancements of the cockpit are your multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design and a wide array of functions at your disposal, such as your heated wheel and your lane assist. You'll also be able to access your Pivi Pro touchscreen, which is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and provides great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar, which is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.